Welcome to How Investment Savvy Are You? Today, let's find out your investment savviness. Try out these questions and see how many of them can you answer correctly. So, grab a pen, write down your answers, and see how many questions you will get right at the end of the video. Ready? Let's go!
A bank offers you 12% APR, compounded monthly. What's your actual return for the year? A. 12%. B. Higher than 12%. C. Lower than 12%. D. Not enough info available. Correct answer B. 12.68%.
Explanation: APR is only the nominal rate. Since the compounding is monthly, then the effective monthly rate must be 12% divided by 12 months. As that is the definition of APR, it's just an annualized rate from the effective periodic rate. Here it is monthly, so it's the effective monthly rate times 12. EAR is the effective annual rate, the real annual return after compounding, and this is what the formula looks like. And that's how you properly compare investments. Okay, on to the next question.
If the nominal rate is 12%, which of these gives the highest return? A. Annual compounding. B. Quarterly compounding. C. Monthly compounding. D. Continuous compounding. Correct answer D. Continuous compounding.
Explanation: more compounding, it means higher effective return, but up to a limit. Continuous compounding is the mathematical maximum. For example, for an EAR for continuously compounded is going to be 12.75%. But notice that the quarterly is 12.55%, the monthly is 12.68%, and continuous is going to be 12.75%. Notice there are small gains as the frequency increases. All right, next question.
Your investment goes year 1 plus 20%. Year 2 minus 20%. What is your true 2-year return? A. 0% because plus 20 and minus 20 cancel. B. Minus 4%. C. Plus 2%. D. Depends on inflation. Correct answer B. Minus 4%.
Explanation: returns multiply, not add. So it's going to be 1.2 times 0.8 is equal to 0.96. That's a 4% loss. Now, arithmetic averages are mathematical expectations. They are forward looking average numbers rather than historical performance. Geometric returns tell the truth, it tells actual return performance. That's why, for investment professionals, geometric returns are preferred for showing historical performance. All right, let's move on.
A project returns money at irregular intervals. The analyst reports IRR equals 15%. This means A. You earn 15% simple interest. B. You earn 15% APR. C. You earn an effective annual return of 15%. D. IRR is made up. Answer C. Effective annual return.
Explanation: IRR is the discount rate that sets NPV equal to 0. It's already an annual rate unless otherwise stated. Therefore, IRR is an EAR, so it's directly comparable to other EARs. Okay, next question.
Which formula converts a continuously compounded rate R into an effective annual rate EAR? A. EAR equals R times 1 year. B. EAR equals open parenthesis 1 plus R divided by M close parenthesis to the power of M. C. EAR equals E to the power of R minus 1. D. EAR equals ln 1 plus R. Correct answer C. EAR equals e to the power of r minus 1.
Explanation: log returns and continuous compounding rule derivatives, bond math, and modern portfolio theory. So, continuous compounding is equal to the natural exponential growth. And here's the full formula. All right, last question.
You want to compare across different returns. What should you convert everything into? A. APR. B. Arithmetic return. C. Effective annual return EAR. D. Vibes-based finance. Correct answer C. EAR.
Explanation: APR, IRR, logs, continuous compounding, they all become comparable once you express them as a 1 year effective rate. So EAR is the universal unit of return comparison in this case. All right, so count your correct answers. If you got 5 to 6 questions correctly, you're the compound interest ninja. For 3 to 4 correct questions, you're financially bilingual. You speak APR and EAR. Only 1 to 2 questions correctly, well, your bank loves you. 0, ah man, shucks. Maybe next time we'll do better. So, how investment savvy are you? And by the way, guys, this is just for fun. Hope you learned something from this. And if so, kindly like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for playing and see you next time.